Alright, what is going on, Scrubs? And I'm back to fucking play some CSGO. I got like fucking 30 minutes to play it, because I'm gonna go to bed after this, because otherwise I'm gonna be fucking tired, so let's just fucking do this. And yes, I am playing an offline mode, I know, I suck. I do suck at CSGO a lot, like, badly. As soon as I said that, I killed someone, okay. So, I'm gonna be playing comp soon, hopefully with some of my friends. I know some of them are gonna get CSGO when it goes on sale during Christmas, which is not the 25th, I wish it was the 25th. It's Christmas Day, but it's the 5th right now, so, like, two and a half weeks? So, not too long. You didn't know where the fuck I was. Oh fuck! Oh, okay. Ah! Oh god. Also, this is a warning. I do get very pissed off this game. This is not the first time. This is not my first time playing the game. I've played it before, but yeah, this is one of those games that just makes you want to shit your pants. Just you know, like you're sitting there on your laptop playing it. You just gotta go take that angry shit. It's one of those games, yeah. And for those of you that play it and you play comp, you know exactly what I mean. Especially when you get those motherfucking snipers right behind your ass and then shoot you in your anus. Yeah, those guys. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Alright, I'm just gonna camp out here and just wait for them to come by so I can shoot them. So how's life? I'm looking at the camera, okay. My face cam is there.
They are not here.
Well, there. I'm pointing at the screen like you can actually see my finger. It's in the top right. So because otherwise you wouldn't be able to see the blip with like the bombs and shit like that. Neither would I. Because there's like a little transparency at the back of the webcam because I'm using shadow play, but it's not like enough to actually like perfectly be able to see it. But I mean, oh well. This is gonna be one of my first facecam videos in a long time, actually. I just saw you, motherfucker. There you are. Oh shit! I'm gonna die. Fucking 15 health, 15 health, 15 health. Oh lord.
Molotov.
Oh, Molotov here, nice. This is fucking deserty, motherfuckers. Yeah, bitch. I'm assuming I killed them. I can't really see the kill feed because my webcam is blocking it. So imagine it's gonna be blocking that for you guys. So you have to tell me if I got the kill or not. Oh fuck! I guess I did. Nice. So what's your favorite guys' guns in CS:GO? I think mine would have to be the upper hand, because it's just honestly the most badass sniper. It's literally a one-shot kill. Or the revolver. Revolver is a really good gun, but you have to be really fucking good aim with it, which I'm not, and I don't think I ever will be. So yeah, just bear with me. My aim sucks ass. But one of the reasons I stopped playing CS:GO, because I used to play it a lot back on my other Steam account, long time ago, is because, well, back then, well, even today, maybe more so back then, people would always accuse you of hacking, because, honestly, I used to be a semi-good aim. I'm not perfect, not phased or any shit like that, but I was okay, I was average. But, yeah. So one time someone started a vote kick against me, and literally every person there did. Because I was by one of these doors in this map. And I think it was this one actually. And I just had my shotgun, I just killed 3 CTs in a row. And then after that someone started a vote kick, so yeah, that's pretty much why. It just gets annoying after a while. You know? So, I don't know. There's a CT down there. I really hope my teammates protect me from him, because otherwise I'm gonna be fucked. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this. I'm probably gonna upload it tomorrow. Well, Well, tomorrow for... Oh, come on. Oh, shit. Oh, well. It's tomorrow for me. It's not tomorrow for you guys. It's, like I said, it's the 5th that I'm recording this. It's December 5th. So I'm probably going to upload it tomorrow after I render it out and, you know, yeah, all that fun stuff. Actually, I'm probably just going to leave it rendering overnight. Might as well. Because it'll probably be done by the time I wake up in the morning. It doesn't take Premiere that long.
We will defeat the mercenaries.
Back when I used Sony Vegas, it took like an hour,
Grenade!
I think, to render out, but Premiere it like takes like fucking 15 minutes, and it's much better in coding. So if you're gonna get a software, use Premiere. And it's not like you pay once; you have to pay it per month. I think it's
Shall I open fire?
$20 a month. Yeah, because I use Photoshop as well. Oh shit. You gotta watch out for these CTs, they're all over the place. They're like fucking army ants. Best joke ever. I think I just saw one of those motherfuckers down there. They don't have a grenade. Oh shit, I'm taking a risk planting the bomb with
I am planting the bomb.
like none of my teammates around.
Bomb has been planted.
I swear I saw a CT go down here. Or maybe it was that guy, I don't know. I saw a boot, that's all I saw. Oh, excuse me. Also, I was playing comp earlier, and let me tell you, there was this kid on it. When I say kid, you know, a lot of people mean like 14, 15. No. This kid was about 6.
They will not
Literally fucking 6 years old. And, I mean, I know you can mute anybody on CSGO, I know that shit, but I think it's just funny to hear them. And, he was getting really mad because he was accusing this guy of hacking because, a terrorist had a upper hand and he kept fucking shooting him in the back of the head, like, every time. Like, he was going after this kid and this kid only. And he was getting so mad, it was great.
We will defeat the mercenaries.
I think I recorded it, but I may have gotten corrupted because I went back and looked, I don't know. I don't think it got corrupted, actually. I may have deleted it on accident because I just batch delete stuff sometimes. But I don't think I make good videos because it's just like long pauses of silence or stuff like that. Or there's something messes up in the recording. So, I don't know. But if I find it, I'll put a link to it down in the description. Oh shit. Well, fuck me in the ass. Literally, those guys literally just fucked me in the ass, pretty much. Oh well. So I got about like... Oh, I got fucking plenty of time to keep recording. I got like 20 more minutes. Hold on, let me take off my headset really quick. My fucking hair is all messed up. Having long hair is not as easy as it looks sometimes. It's nice, but...
Planting.
I'm probably gonna do a CSGO live stream. Maybe. I don't know. I might do that actually right on Christmas? No, I won't do it Christmas Day, but I might do it during Christmas break. Because I get on the 21st for school, and then I get off... I come back in January 17th? I think? I know I have, like... I know I have at least 2 weeks off for Christmas, I know that. I want to say January 17th, I can't remember. I have no idea. I don't keep track of this shit. Oh well. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys know, but where I live, it flooded down here a couple months back. So basically all the half days that I was going to have, or that we were going to have this semester,
We will make them cry.
we don't get anymore to make up for the days we missed for the flood, because we missed a long ass time. I want to say we almost missed like a month. It was a couple weeks. Because like you could literally go, I could walk a couple blocks down. Not even a couple blocks. I could literally walk to the houses behind mine. Oh shit. Hold on. Oh god. Oh, okay, well, I died anyway. I thought I was going to. But like, you could literally walk to the houses, like, not even barely behind my house, and like, this is their roof, right? And the water was literally like right here. It was above their fucking roof. Like, you could barely see the top of their chimney. It was that bad. It has not flooded apparently since like 1986 down here, so it was a really big deal. But yeah. Also, the schedule changed. So instead of school starting at 7:00, or it's not sorry 7:10. It starts at 7:05 and ends at 2:31 now. Instead of starting at 7:10 and ending at 2:25. So basically, they added like 10 minutes to each day. I think that's 10 or 11. Which I think just sucks, because those 5 minutes do make a difference. Oh, sorry. Those 5 minutes do make a difference in the morning, so... It sucks. I really hope it snows down here, because, I mean, if, like, it snows just a tiny bit, they're gonna cancel school, which is good. Because, fuck school. I hate it. I hate high school. It sucks. And I don't understand why everybody says, like, most of my friends who graduated, they're like, I miss high school so much. You better take advantage of it. Like, why the hell do you miss high school? I mean, it's not fun. It's boring as hell. Teachers yell at you all day. I mean, well, that's normal for any grade, pretty much. But it is still. Some teachers more than others. I have a couple of cool teachers, but oh well. I know one teacher I miss is my 6th grade social studies teacher. He was literally the coolest teacher ever. Honestly, like, he made lessons and shit so fun. Like, we do projects and stuff, like, we almost never had homework and stuff. I mean, like, we had homework, but, like, it wasn't, like, that boring-ass math homework. It was, like, actual fun homework. Like, where, like, we actually wanted to do it. Like, he made class so much fun. I miss him, honestly. Alright, I think that's enough running for now. Oh, well, one of my guys just died, Rope. I'm gonna teabag his body. I'd teabag his body if there weren't a bunch of CTs. Oh shit. Oh, well. I was gonna teabag his body, but okay, I guess not. Please go there and teabag his... Aw, no, don't. Aw, go teabag his body. Come on. Teabagging bodies is fun. I call it APR. Ass something resuscitation. I don't know what the C. I don't know what the P stands for. I can't remember.
Take care of yourself.
I haven't taken health in like a year, so don't quote me. Someone write down what it is. I can just actually, you know what? I'm gonna ask fucking Siri. What does CPR stand for? Okay. Well, whatever that is. Yeah, that. Oh, come on! Damn it. Oh well. I just realized that I really need to take a piss. And I'm considering doing it, but I don't think I want to. I can wait. I can hold it.
I fear no man.
Is it weird that I don't watch my own videos? Because a lot of people say that's really weird, and you should watch your own video. What the fuck's a video? Video! Fuck's sake, I can't English. God. But, I don't watch my own videos that often, like...
We will drag them from our land.
I don't know why, I just don't, like, see the point of it, because, I mean... I'm playing the game, so what's the point of watching the video? I mean, unless something really funny happens. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this before, but, I think the one time that I wish I could go back and record... Actually, wait, there's two things. Okay, first one was whenever I was playing Prop Hunt with one of my friends, and, we were playing on this map called Motel Black AV3. And basically there's this thing you can do in one of the rooms with the beds in it. You can get to the roof where there's a Ghoul Girl at, which is a really tiny ass prop. Which is fun for going like around like tickling hunters' feet and shit. And well, there's two ways of doing it. One, you can hit E in the corner of the wall and then crouch jump through the square. Or two, well that's a better one. Two, you can become a lamp and then become a treasure drawer. And then you get up on the roof that way, but the only thing about it is if the Ghoul Girl's out of that room, you're fucked, you're stuck in there, you can't get out. Unless someone brings you a prop or something, but, yeah. Oh, well, okay. So, shit. I should use my shotgun. But, anyway, so my friend was, like, crouch jumping through the wall, right? He was going to the roof, you know. We were gonna have a lit-ass time up there. And, so, basically, I have a thing for throwing off the Hula Girl. Don't ask me why, I just do. Even when I'm a prop, I do it. I don't know why. I feel like I'm conditioned to. I guess. I don't know. I'm weird. I'm weird like that. Oh, I guess I gotta start a new one. Okay. But yeah. So basically that, and hold on, I gotta think. I gotta start a new one really quick. You know, I'm gonna play with medium bots this time, just because why not? Okay, so anyway, like he was crouch jumping through the square, right? And he apparently accidentally hit E, which is what you use to turn into props. And whenever he hit E in the square, he became the chest drawer and got stuck up on the thing. And I literally just threw the hula girl down. He was like, "Did you throw the hula girl down yet?" And I was like, "Yeah, why?" He was like, "You fucking bitch." So I turn around and I see the fucking chest drawer stuck in there trying to get out through the door. And I was laughing so fucking hard. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen that reaction video with me and him, but at Fat People, but basically, yeah, it was like that, but worse. Like, I was laughing even harder. Like, I literally had to stop to catch my fucking breath. Okay, now the other one. This one's a really funny one. So I was playing TF2, right? And one of my friends had a thing for whenever he would get up, whenever he would fart, he would do it into his mic. I don't know why. It was funny every time. But this particular time, whenever he farted onto his mic, not only did the smell stick into it, but the lights on his keyboard went out. Oh my god, it still gets me, but, the lights on his keyboard went oh, sorry, I'm laughing more. Oh god. Oh god. But, oh, sorry, I was reading a text, but, yeah. Oh, shit, I gotta drink. Oh, okay, well, I guess I'm on this. Oh, excuse me. But, yeah. And, so, like, he has, apparently, a closet full of Febreze, because he does that all the time. Oh, sorry! Oh, my God, my voice cracking, and I'm hiccuping. Oh, Jesus. But, he said it smelled, and I quote, "A dead skunk crawled up his ass and took a shit." So, yeah. Oh, sorry. Jesus. Yeah, I've hiccuped for days now, but, and you, like, all of a sudden, you can just... I don't know if you know what that, compressed air sounds like. Like, just imagine that blowing directly into someone's mic, and that's basically what that Febreze can was like. Like, I swear he sprayed the whole thing. Oh, like... That was literally, like, the funniest day. Oh, that was... I don't know which one I would have recorded. Which one do you guys think? Honestly, I probably would have picked... Oh, sorry, the keyboard one. So, I don't know, but that was just... God. And it took about, like, 10 minutes for his keyboard lights to turn back on. I didn't even do anything. I didn't do shit. Oh my god, sorry. I should not be telling funny stories without something to drink. I could just watch something scary to get rid of them. Oh, Jesus. Okay, after this I can't record any more videos. I'm gonna be hiccuping the whole time and people are gonna wonder why the hell I am. And if I don't upload this video ever, then they're not gonna know. This is saying that one, but what if I don't upload? Oh, god. You see what I'm saying. Oh, god.
I think I heard something.
But your fart must have been pretty bad for the lights on your keyboard to went out. I'm just saying, like, my god. Does anyone else need to know any other cure for hiccups other than? Oh god. Excuse me. Like just like water, scaring, shit like that. Is there any other thing? I think holding your breath is one, something like that. Ah, God. I'm sorry. Oh, Jesus. I just threw up in my mouth a little bit after that one. Ugh. I hate when I throw up in my mouth. I fucking hate that. It tastes so weird. Makes your throat burn. It's just nasty in general. Oh, it's awful.
Only one guy left. Get the bomb. Get the bomb.
I don't think I'm gonna make it in the bomb in time. I'm not gonna make it in the bomb in time. Shit.
We got them all.
Yep, not gonna make it. Not gonna make it.
This bomb now.
Yep, time to get out of here. So it's nice knowing you gentlemen in the arms of an angel. You know, I got a blast. Oh, wow, okay, it still killed me. That's nice. Sorry, I have to have my mic adjust. I'm very... I'm very hiccupy, yes. God. Uh-huh. I'm very hiccupy, huh? Oh, Jesus. Also, that's something else I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go on the random CSGO server and do my Mickey Mouse voice. I know it's terrible, but still. It's fun. Oh. Now, if I could do one voice, I think it would have to be Daffy Duck's, because I don't know why. Or, sorry, I keep saying Daffy, I mean Donald, fuck's sake. I know there are ways, like, you gotta make an air pocket in your cheek and shit like that, but I can't do that. I have tried so hard, and I can't do it. Oh, I got a P90, nice. But, I don't know, I can't do it, I've tried.
Very good shot. Bomb has been defused. Counter-terrorists win.
Oh, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. For anybody. You know what I should do is I just stop talking completely and just hiccup the whole time.
Move it.
I can't do it. I can't. I couldn't do it. I tried. It's too funny. Oh.
Status.
So if any of you guys want to play CSGO with me, just PM me your Steam name. Oh god. Oh. And yes, I am playing on Steam. That's why I said Steam name. I don't play it on console, sorry. I don't have it on consoles. I'm not really a console gamer anymore, honestly. I used to. I used to be a really hardcore console gamer, I'm not gonna lie. But ever since I played my first PC... Oh god, I'm sorry. Ever since I like played... Oh my god, this guy's sitting in a fucking... I don't know. He looks like he's about to have himself a fucking picnic. Oh, well, there goes the bomb. Oh, I am so sorry. Well, rip me. I got like 7 more minutes in it. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. And leave it rendering out for the night. Oh, Lord. Oh. So in the morning, I can upload it before I go to school, and then when I get home, it'll be uploaded, and everything will be all happy. And then hopefully whenever you guys get home from school, if you're not already, then you can watch it. Oh god. I don't know, I kind of feel like CSGO might become one of the primary games on the channel. I don't know, I kind of like CSGO. It's a fun game, but you do get mad at it really easily though. Oh god. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go drink some water after this. I cannot do this. I can't. Someone, please remind me not to tell funny stories while I'm recording without something to drink nearby, because otherwise it's just gonna be like this. You know, I could go get some water right now, but I'm really lazy. I'm too lazy to get up. I mean, I could just roll myself with this nice rolly chair to the kitchen, but no, I'm too good for that. Oh, fuck's sake! You know, I might just end the video for it now, honestly. I don't know. I might. Oh, fuck's sake! This video is just gonna be literally nothing but hiccups. God. Oh, I didn't want to buy the revolver. I forgot I replaced that with my Desert Eagle.
Let's go.
One thing I suck at is a fucking revolver. It's a great gun. Probably one of the best CSGO pistols there is, but I suck with it because my aim sucks. If my aim sucks, I suck, so... You know how that works. Oh my god. Well, fuck you. Gosh. Oh, fuck's sake! You know, I bet when I'm gonna do my outro, I'm just gonna hiccup them the whole fucking time. Oh, fuck! You know what? Fuck it. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. No. I'll just play your game. Just fuck you. Fine, I'll just play your game. I'll just hiccup. I think I'm fucking too much. You want it. Will that make you happy?
Terrorists win.
Do 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 do.
Bomb has been planted.
Do oh do do do. Do 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 do. Phenomena. Oh, fucking vaginas. I'm sorry, but I just. Oh, I can't. I've done what? What's the buy zone? I've never gotten that message. Get the fuck out of my way!
Is this your first time out?
I don't fucking care about injuring my teammates. I think my hiccup just sicker since sit. Fuck's sake! Oh, I got so mad I headshot that guy.
Need backup now. I need help over here.
You know what? You know what? Fine. I'll just end the video here.
Defusing.
So thank you all for watching, and see you next time.